Welcome to this guided voiceover tutorial on how to hide the header or footer in your WordPress website in just a few minutes. In this guide, you will be led through the process step by step, starting from logging into WordPress and ending with a preview of your changes on the live site. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website in your browser. Once you arrive on the homepage, you will notice a login option which is conveniently located at the top right corner of the page. This is your entry point into the website's backend management interface. Click on the login link to proceed. After clicking on the login button, you will be presented with several options for signing in. Among these, you will see an option to continue with Google. This is a quick and secure way to log in if you choose to use your existing Google account credentials. Select the option labeled Continue with Google and then choose the account you wish to use for logging into WordPress. By using this method, you can bypass entering your WordPress specific credentials and simplify the process. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to an interface that includes a section commonly known as Quick Links. In this area, look for the option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This action will take you to the site editor where you have access to both the visual layout tools and the underlying code of your website design. Within the site editor, you need to access the code view to make the specific changes required. Find the three dots icon, which is located at the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this icon will reveal a menu of options, one of which is the code editor. Select the code editor option. This mode allows you to work directly with the code of your site, providing you with the necessary control to adjust specific elements of your design. Now that you are in the code editor, scroll to the very beginning of the file where you will see a line that includes the word template. This line is key because it holds attributes that control how different sections of your website are displayed. When you locate the word template, you will notice a bracket where additional code parameters can be added. Carefully place your cursor inside the bracket and type in a comma followed by !none. This small addition tells the browser not to display the element you are targeting, whether it is the header or the footer depending on your theme structure. After you have added the display none command within the code, you are almost finished. To complete the process, look for the Save and Preview option in the editor and click it. Saving confirms the changes you have made to the code, while previewing allows you to immediately verify that the header or footer has been effectively hidden from view. This simple and efficient modification lets you control specific elements on your WordPress website with ease. Enjoy the streamlined appearance of your site and know that you have taken an empowered step in web design customization using WordPress.